Hello everyone, at this moment I will present you about building a dynamic website with PHP and MySQL. But before of that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nazib Rabani, a student of Universitas Science and Technology Indonesia. Before we get started, let me explain to you a little bit about building a dynamic website with PHP and MySQL. This presentation will guide you through the essential steps of developing a dynamic website using PHP for back-end programming and MySQL for database management, focusing on managing employee data through CRUD, or you can call that as the CRUD operations. First of all is modern PHP website for employee management. Creating a user-friendly platform for managing employee data with PHP and MySQL, and here's everything that you need for making a website. First of all, we need open source PHP. PHP is a free and open source scripting language that boasts a large community and extensive documentation, making it accessible for developers at all skill levels. 2. Cross-platform compatibility. PHP is designed to run seamlessly on multiple operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, ensuring flexibility and deployment options for web applications. 3. Database integration. PHP excels at connecting with various databases, especially MySQL, which allows for efficient data management and retrieval in web applications. 4. Dynamic web pages. With PHP, developers can create dynamic web pages that adjust content based on user interaction or database queries, enhancing the user experience on websites. And 5. Simple syntax. PHP syntax is straightforward and easy to learn, enabling developers to write less code and achieve more with minimal effort, as shown in the classic Hello World example. Creating a modern PHP website for employee data management. Utilizing MySQL for efficient CRUD operations on employee information. First is efficient data management with MySQL. MySQL is a widely used relational database management system that excels in storing and organizing employee data, ensuring quick access and management of information. Second is key features of MySQL. MySQL offers high performance, scalability, and flexibility, making it an ideal choice for managing large databases across various programming environments, including PHP. And third, basic SQL command for employee table. The SQL command to create an employee table shows how to define attributes like ID, name, position, and salary for structured data management in a database. The next one, for developing a modern PHP web application for employee management, is creating a user-friendly platform for managing employee records efficiently with PHP and MySQL. And there is 3 of them. 1 is ease of use, simple interface design, streamlined user experience for managing employee data. 2. Data integrity, ensuring accuracy, implementing validation and sanitization for security. And 3 is responsiveness, multi-device functionality. Application adapts to various screen sizes seamlessly. Next one is creating employee records with PHP and MySQL. Utilizing PHP to manage employee data through an intuitive interface and MySQL database. And there is 6 steps for it. First is understand the create functionality. The create functionality is essential for adding new employee records to the database, ensuring data integrity and accessibility. Second is user input via a form. Collect user input through an HTML form that captures essential employee details like name, position, and salary for database entry. Third is SQL insert command execution. Executing an SQL insert command allows the new employee data to be stored within the MySQL database, facilitating data management. Fourth, simple HTML form structure. An example HTML form is provided, demonstrating how to gather employee information efficiently before submission. Fifth, PHP code for data processing. The corresponding PHP code processes the submitted form data and prepare it for insertion into the database, highlighting back-end operations. And 6. Data validation importance. It's crucial to validate user input before executing SQL commands to prevent errors and ensure the integrity and the data being entered. Employee data. Reading employee data to read functionality explained. Explore the crucial read functionality that retrieves and displays employee records from the database, essential for effective data management. The next one is creating, reading, updating, and deleting employee data with PHP. Building a modern website for managing employee records using PHP and MySQL. One is update functionality overview. The update functionality allows modification of existing employee records in the database. 2. Example update form in HTML. A simple HTML form is used to collect new employee data for updates. 3 is PHP code for updated. PHP code executes the SQL statement to update employee records in the database. And 4 is data validation importance. Ensuring data validated before updating is crucial for database integrity. And then, implementing modern web design principles in PHP projects. Enhancing user experience through modern design principles in web development. One is responsive design is essential for usability. It ensures the website works seamlessly across all devices. 2 is user-centered design focuses on user needs. This principle prioritizes the preferences of the end users. And 3, accessibility is crucial for inclusivity. It makes the website usable for individuals with disabilities. And here we comes to the end. Join us on this journey to optimize employee management today. In this presentation, we have dived into the creation of dynamic website utilizing PHP and MySQL for effective management of employee data. As we look to the future, potential enhancements such as an authentication system, AJAX integration for real-time updates, and improved security measures are vital for safeguarding sensitive information. Let's explore how we can elevate this project further. I guess that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you can enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.